fam, welcome back to another video with your girl Michelle. If you're returning or a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, I am a wife and mother of 3, and on this channel we do a lot of cleaning motivational videos. We also do some vlogging and some lifestyle content. Today's video is going to be a master bedroom and master bathroom clean with me. Is it just me, or does your master bedroom fall dead last on your to-do list? So my bedroom had gotten completely out of order, and so we're going to go ahead and get this taken care of. Let's jump into the video.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you.
Now, while I'm cleaning my room, you'll see these cars in the background on the side of the bed. Those are my husband's RC cars, and they're like a big hobby of his. So I really don't move them that much. I sort of leave them where they are because he's very specific about the parts and all of the pieces and all of that. So I pretty much leave those where they are. It drives me insane. I wish he would take them out to his man cave. However, he doesn't. He likes to work on it in the bedroom some evenings, and so I just give him that concession. I'm really organized around the rest of the house, and so I sort of let him have that.
Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. Places like I do. My place like you do. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
I hope you all are enjoying seeing little Olivia all up under my feet while I'm trying to clean up. She typically is around me all day. She will follow me to and fro, and I absolutely love it.
You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me.
So a lot of this mess in my room came from unpacking and packing for a trip. We were supposed to go and visit some of my family for spring break. However, that trip didn't go through. So everything that I had packed, I had to unpack. And so just getting everything back in its place was top priority for me today.
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place, and it all focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away, drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise that you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the...
So the bathrooms tend to be probably almost everyone's least favorite place to clean. They are just one of the grossest places in the house. Mine collects a lot of hair because my husband cuts his own hair and he cuts our son's hair. And so I'm constantly trying to make sure there's no hair on my floor and hair on the baseboards from hair cutting. That's typically the biggest problem in my master bathroom. But I just typically don't like doing the bathroom in general. It's just a really small space and it just gets really gross. So what's your least favorite place to clean in your house?
Deal when you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Hey, oh, yeah. I've been trying to take my eyes off you. Oh, girl, it ain't easy, just let go of that body. Why you gotta keep flirting like you do? I waited so patiently, but you don't seem sorry. I seen a little DM, trying to make some plans. Now come on, baby, later in the PM. Hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let your clothes drop down to the floor. I wanna see you moving slowly to the music. We'll be dimming the lights, then lock the door. I know it sounds crazy, but hey, we're gonna do it. Come on, yeah. Send a little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby. Maybe later in the PM. Hope that you will understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. So everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night, up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5, baby. Ooh, I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I, you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Yeah. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Oh.
Okay, fam, if you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to share with me. I hope this gave you a little bit of motivation to get some things done at your own home. I really am happy that I went ahead and got this done. It feels so nice to go to bed in a nice, clean bedroom and bathroom. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.